Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to publish your book. So when you get into Bookcreator, you're going to find your book, click it. I see here that I have my book all complete all the way through to page 7 all the way through 17. So yours looks like this. To play, just to see an idea of what it looks like, it'll look like this. So it's really cool that it actually flips through, just like you would be flipping an online book. But the really cool thing you could do is you come up here and it says settings menu, and you could say publish online. So mine already says publish because I published it, but you can hit publish online and it's going to ask you to copy public share link to a clipboard. You click that and now you have copied it. So if you want to send it to your friends or you want to email to someone, you can go to your email and paste it, or you could just even come to your remote learning and paste it right in there. And now there's the link, so everyone could click the link and it's brought right to your book for everyone to see. So I think that is pretty cool. And then you can just exit out and you're done. So I can't wait to look through all of these. Make sure you do a good job. I would double check today, even though you only have 2 pages to finish. I would go through each page and make sure it's perfect or the way you want. I've been looking at people's online and it's really, really cool. So if you want to take a peek at some of your classmates, feel free. I know Courtney did her own illustrations. You can see right there. I thought another really good illustrated one was Cassidy's. Where you at, Cassidy? So Cassidy's been doing like a combination of background photos and pictures. So it was pretty cool. You could tell that she's taking her time with her illustrations. She wrote something, added some different things. So feel free to edit some of your pictures today to make it the best that you can before you publish. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and it's going to be great. Bye, guys.